So this is case number SP 104-03-071, People versus Quintel Leon Parks. And Mr. Parks is charged with driving a license not valid. And the people are recommending a plea to failure to display on this one, which would be no points, dismissal on a stip to probable cause of SP 102-99392, which is no insurance, and 19501-7521, driving a license not valid. And good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Janecki Nance appearing on behalf of Mr. Parks. Mr. Parks, state your name for the record.
My name is Quintel Parks.
Your Honor, Mr. Parks would like to tender a plea and accept the recommendation.
Mr. Parks, you understand if I accept your plea today, you're giving up the right to the trial, either by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're giving up a number of rights associated with trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything to make you plead that I don't know about?
No, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am.
Do you recall being in the area of Puritan and Rutherford in the city of Detroit on or about November 10th of 2019?
Puritan and Rutherford. Yes.
And you were operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have a valid driver's license in your immediate possession?
No, ma'am.
Accept the defendant's plea. Dismiss these other two matters. Anything before sentencing?
Your Honor, there is an arraignment on the bench warrant. He may have a bond associated with it, and if he does, we'd ask that go towards his cost and fees.
Did you post a bond, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
$200?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's going to be $245 plus a $45 reinstatement fee. And on the ones I'm dismissing, you're going to owe reinstatement fees too. That's another $90 or $380. So you have two options. I can write apply bond and you can pay the difference. And that's going to take a while for them to do. Or you can go ahead and pay these, get your clearances to go to the Secretary of State, and they'll refund the bond to you. Which is it you want to do, sir?
So the total is $300 and you said $80?
Correct.
And where would I pay that at?
So the court is closed. You can either pay it online at our website, which is 36th.org, or are you familiar with DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T kiosks?
Okay.
Do you know about the kiosks?
Not really.
Okay, so there's a kiosk right outside the court that you can pay at that you don't have to come into, but
Okay.
there's 70 of them located throughout the metropolitan area. So you can use debit, credit card, or cash, and you can make partial payments on them as well. So
Okay.
they're at party stores, they're at Rite Aids, they're different places. So there should be one located closer to you than the courthouse. And that's how you would pay.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do today?
I can go to a kiosk and pay it.
And then that way you will get your clearances and you can find out from the Secretary of State what they want to do.
Right. So I could just go to the Secretary of State to get my license reinstated, and they'll refund me the bond.
No.
Yeah, no, the bond will get mailed to you.
Oh,
Hopefully
okay.
you have the correct address.
Okay.
But when you posted the bond, they should have gotten any address, but. And they'll
Okay.
mail you.
All right, that's fine.
So you're gonna go to the kiosk today?
Yes. Is it a certain time, or I can go anytime?
No, you can go, I mean, I'm thinking 20, as long as the place it's located is open. And the one we have outside, I guess you could come anytime, day or night, and go to it.
Okay, that's fine.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, get your license, have a good day, thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one too.
That guy hung up, Judge.
Prescott,
Mm-hmm.
he doesn't have the own shirt.
I guess not.
That was awful.
Very awful.
We're still on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right, I'm sorry, we're still